Alright, we just got this delivered. We got a generator from Etrailer. This one was regular $8.29 or something like that, and we got it on sale day after Thanksgiving for $5.49, I think is what it was. This is an Etrailer generator, 3200 starting watt, 2900 running watts. A little bigger than what we were looking for, but for the price, we definitely thought it would be worth it to get a little bit bigger one. So we're going to unbox this thing and pull it out and let you guys see with us. I think this thing was said to weigh 87 pounds, 84 pounds, a little over 80 pounds, somewhere in that area. And a fancy little guide there. Got the two handles on top for easy lifting. As you saw, he lifted it out of the box there. It's got the no flat tires, and it has a handle that pops up so that you can roll it around. And then on the other side, you see all the little plugs, a 30 amp plug and two
20 amp.
Yeah, sorry, space. It's a pull start. It's a little 12 volt DC.
Yep.
It's got, that's for your parallel, so you can parallel it to another one if you want. And then it's got a little USB, and it's got little dust covers over every one of these little outlet thingies, which is nice. It's got a digital readout that's supposed to show you volts, hertz, and hours.
Yep, I think so.
And it's got eco mode, your choke, and your on switch, and all that good stuff.
It also has your
oh yeah, it's got the little lights to show you if it's, you know, good to go, overload, low on oil.
Which it'll automatically shut off if the oil level drops. So, you know, to the danger point, it will actually just shut off and will not start again until you put the proper oil level in it.
So that's pretty cool. 1.8 gallon gas tank. And it does have a little filter down in there that filters out the goo in the gas. Alright, so we're going to put some gas in it and we'll get it started up. Oh yeah, it comes with the funnel. Comes with the little battery charger cables, which is pretty cool. Get an oil bottle. And you get a little tool kit for changing spark plug and something else. I can't remember. You get a couple little tools in there.
You get the screwdriver to take the front panel off.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay. So, and of course manuals and everything. So you get these little fancy tools here. That's pretty neat. Alright, so we'll have to get some gas in it and start it up for you so you can see that too. Okay, so we're removing this access panel so we can get the oil in. We did already put the gas in. It's already in there. You know how to fill gas. I don't think we got to show you that.
Screwdriver was a little small for these big old bolts, or for these big old screws. So I went and got a
yeah, so we used our own. Didn't want to strip anything out. Yeah, so there's your little dipstick. At least the screwdriver worked for that. See, it came in handy after all.
Yeah.
You're only supposed to fill the oil to the H mark on the little dipstick, so. We're not sure exactly how much oil that's supposed to take. Okay, so we got the rest of the oil in there, and actually it takes that whole little bottle that comes with the generator, and that puts it exactly where it's supposed to be. So that's kind of handy. He's going to keep that bottle and refill it when we're ready to do an oil change. That way we know exactly how much goes in the generator. Be nice and easy. Okay, gonna put this back together, and then we'll work on trying to start it up. Okay, so they give you this little handy poster that shows you how to start it, which we'll probably keep for a while until we get used to using it. So first thing you do is
turn the gas on.
Okay.
Pull your choke out. Turn your switch on. Then pull the cord once and then turn the choke off, and then it should start.
Or not. No load at all right now. So that's eco mode there. You heard it drop down quite a bit. Sound. But yeah, for as big as it is, I thought it would be a little noisier. The manual did say to let it run for several minutes on that first startup before you put anything on it, because it needs to, I don't remember how it worded it, like adjust it, or it has to adjust itself or something. And then
so it's putting out 123 volts, 60 hertz, and it has 0 hours running.
So with the little decibel meter, just the one we downloaded off of Google Play, we're going to check and see what it shows. Right up next to the exhaust. So you can see it's about 78-ish. So we're going to walk out about 20 feet. Which... it don't sound very loud at all right now. about 68-ish without me talking. And we do have a little bit of, because like the camper's there and the Hummer's sitting there, so can't see it. There it is. There we go. So it seems to want to hit around 60 or so. So that's pretty good. I don't know how far away were we about at 60. How far is that away?
Probably 35 feet.
About 35 feet away.
Normal conversation's about 60 decibels.
Yeah, so we're at about 35 feet away. We're about normal conversation level. That's pretty good. Not too bad at all. But we're hoping this is going to be a good little generator for us. Time will tell. It does come with a 2-year warranty. So they have different size ones if you're interested in checking that out. Etrailer.com. Easy to find. Quick shipping. Ordered it on Friday after Thanksgiving and got it Monday after Thanksgiving. So that's really quick.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. We really love that you join us on all of our happy adventures, and we hope to see you again really, really soon.